These are the latest visuals we are getting to you from the capital, where the Mahila Congress is protesting outside the BJP headquarters. We understand this protest is to demand the withdrawal of the tax that the government has decided to put on the Employee Provident Fund. So they are protesting against the centre, against the EPF tax scheme that was announced in the union budget just last week. The Women Congress members protesting outside the BJP headquarters in the national capital now. Remember, there has been a big outrage after the decision to tax 60% of the withdrawal from your EPS across the board. From the common man to the activists and politicians have objected to this scheme.
Joined by the Congress's Mahila Congress President Shobha Ojha, ma'am, we have been seeing that ever since the budget is out, this EPF has drawn maximum criticism from the opposition and the other quarters. While the government is still trying to mull over the fact whether they want to restore it back or not, the Mahila Congress is out protesting. What are your prominent demands?
See, we are asking for a total rollback of the EPS tax, which the government has announced recently in the budget, and this is this clearly shows the government's insensitive mindset against the ordinary service class people, and the service class already pays a tax for this. This is a double taxation, and EPF is a security net for ordinary salaried person, and here the government is trying to really break the backbone of the salaried person, which is so unfortunate. The government should announce a total rollback of the EPF tax.
Ma'am, while the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley is still trying to maintain that by Tuesday perhaps we can see some changes in this entire announcement that has been made. Maybe partially it could be rolled back, maybe only on the interest it could be applicable and not on the principal amount as such, but it will only be applicable for those accounts that would start post-April 2016. Do you think even those who are perhaps the next generation of sorts, who would be starting with their salaried income, it is again another burden on them?
Definitely it is a double burden on them, and the government should bring about a total rollback. There should be no, we will not compromise with anything less than that, and this clearly shows the government's mindset against an ordinary salaried person, how the government is trying to burden them on one hand. On the other hand, the government is trying to give relaxation to people who have black money, but the salaried class, which is a hard labored class, is being tortured by this tax, which is very unfortunate. Yes, definitely we will continue with this protest throughout the country, if not rolled back.